Sprawling hills, dramatic rivers, and more wildlife than a movie could portray. Welcome to the Masai Mara. Temporary residence to the Great Migration, home to the Maasai warriors and over 95 species of mammals, this 550 square mile sanctuary is paradise on earth. My time here has been unforgettable, and I'm so excited to share it all with you.
Hello from the beautiful country of Kenya.
There's joy and excitement in looking for something. So that is where the fun is.
Check it out, the Hard Rock Cafe. Hello. What's the hardest animal to find out here? A rhino or leopard?
One is a rhino. Much like you. They have a bachelor's meeting. Yeah.
A bachelor meeting?
Oh my gosh. Oh, you got a 10 times better camera than I do. Look at that thing.
The lion tried to get to the female. The lioness ran around, you know, the tricks. And then... like, let's go for coffee. Like running around.
Yeah, do they have to wine and dine them?
Yeah. And the female decides when they start mating, and which is universal kind of law. And then then after that, when they start mating, the intervals start getting tighter and tighter. The intervals shorter and shorter, and they mate 15 minutes apart for 3 to 4 continuous days.
All night, every day?
Day and night.
Oh my gosh, look at these elephants. Doesn't get much cooler than this. Beautiful elephant. Got my girlfriend out here, and my mom is out here.
Hello.
Oh. How do you know it's left-handed?
See the tusk? The tusk. The left one is more used than the first one.
Oh, wow.
Until like this one is like more used.
All right, baby elephants are definitely my favorite animal. Oh my gosh. Hello. Oh my gosh.
It's wanting to go to the car.
Oh my goodness, it's okay. What's your favorite animal out here, Mom?
Oh my god, I think that had to be it.
That was so adorable. All right, I'm putting you on the spot. What's your dream car?
A Toyota Corolla.
What? No, what's your actual dream car? It's badass.
What is it?
A GT3. Well, another safari group got stuck, and thankfully we've got a winch to pull them out. Oh, bye! See ya! How incredible is this? We're about to have lunch in the middle of the Masai Mara. Doesn't get much crazier than this. Breakfast with a view of hippos. All right, we've just heard potentially that there's a leopard nearby up in a tree, as well as a cheetah. So hopefully we can get a little 0 to 60 sprint on the cheetah. No way. Oh my gosh. Wow. So one of the ways you can tell the difference between a cheetah and a leopard is the cheetahs have spots, but you can see these are kind of like mini rings. And then the cheetahs have almost these black teardrops coming out of their eyes. But the leopards don't. Look at those whiskers. Little baby buffaloes. Nice thumbnail face.
Sound up. You teach B and we teach sound go.
I do have one question. I heard a rumor that to become a Maasai warrior, you have to fight a lion. Is that true?
Absolutely. We recognize lions as the king of the jungle.
Look at that. An actual scar from fighting a lion. Wow.
Like coming like this and then hitting you
Fighting
there
spear.
and spear. Like,
Wow.
like.
And did he kill him immediately with the spear?
Yeah. So it's like instant because also you
know where
you don't want to miss, because if you miss your chance, you're done.
After one of the best adventures of my life, seriously, safaring in Kenya is unbelievable. It's life-changing. We are back at Mara Napa Camp, and what's almost as unbelievable as the nature we saw today is I'm literally like dumbfounded. I'm so proud that my mom, over the last, 3 years, has built this incredible facility, and I'd love to hear a little bit more from your perspective on this place, why you built it, and what it's all about. And
it's a camp and a community cultural center, and we started out with the camp because we're trying to make this the whole facility self-sustaining and a place of service to the community and preservation of culture, preservation of wildlife. And what's unique about this place is we started building during the pandemic when most of the camps had shut down because there were no tourists. And so we mobilized and hired people who were out of work. We fed them, we housed them, and we started building this camp. And another unique aspect of this property is that it's all of the profits, not just some of the profits. All of the profits go into community services here in the Masai Mara, conservation, education, conservation projects, rehabilitating schools. We rebuilt the police station. We've done mass feedings for the population, educational programming. So not $1 goes back to the U.S. or to me or to anyone other than the people of the Maasai.
And it just so happens to be one of the most beautiful places I've ever stayed.
Thank
I mean,
you.
calling it like a hotel is a way understatement. I don't even know what to call this place.
It's a tented camp, but it's I can't think of what the word is, but it's luxury but rustic. It's very natural, and when you stay here, it's like as if you had a hotel room, a very beautiful suite, a 2-bedroom suite, or a 1-bedroom suite with a living room, and all your meals, 2 safaris a day.
That's the best part. The safaris are so awesome.
And transportation to and from the local airstrip, which is a little dirt strip out in the middle of all the animals.
That was unique, landing on dirt. I've never done that before.
As I say, all the profits, which are you know, there's enough there to do amazing things here for the people of the Maasai, and scholarships, and so when you come here, you can see that your money is transformative. You can even work on projects here if you want when you come to visit. You can spend a night in a Maasai hut. You can take a half a day and spend with a sheep herder if you want to see what that lifestyle's like. It's an incredible place.
And I also love that all of the materials, correct me if I'm wrong, are locally sourced fallen trees and sustainable materials that were hand built.
Right.
I've watched this place via pictures. It's my first time here, and it's been amazing be built over the last couple of years. And it's unbelievable, the transformation.
Everything's done by hand.
I'm incredibly excited to spend the next 10 days here and go check out my room for the first time. I've only seen pictures, but it seems absolutely breathtaking. And seriously, if you guys are interested in doing a safari, and even if you haven't ever thought about doing a safari, it's actually one of the coolest things I have ever done. And I've been fortunate enough to travel to many, many countries, but this one, it's definitely something special. So congratulations, Mom.
Mommy.
And
I'm so happy to have you here.
thank you.
Yeah.
So I've got a link in the description below if you guys are curious about checking out Mara Napa. It seriously is gorgeous, and it's for an amazing cause. Christine and I are headed to our room for the next 10 days, walking down this beautiful path. The Eagle Room Oh my gosh, are you kidding me? This is insane. Oh my gosh, this is actually spectacular, and we definitely have enough beds to choose from. Look at the view out here. Little private patio area, some sun tanning chairs. Okay, how gorgeous is this outdoor shower? I love it. I am so excited for this, guys, and I feel so fortunate that I'm able to come here to Kenya and experience what the wildlife has to offer and this absolutely incredible sanctuary. After this, I'm headed off to England for Goodwood Festival of Speed and meeting up with some people that I think you guys know. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Like always, please browse the channel and subscribe. I look forward to seeing you next video.